So I thought I'd better make a short video on this subject because I've been involved with it. Yesterday, my friend Andrew and a couple of people sent me a message of a screenshot that had been doing the rounds on Facebook that showed when you went onto the DJI store and under the old FPV section, it said that the DJI Digital HD FPV system has now been discontinued. So I got online and woke up all of my contacts in China. It was the middle of the night for them, and I can confirm that the DJI Air units and the Cadex Vistas going forward are going to be produced by Cadex FPV and not DJI. You could never buy the Cadex Vista on the DJI store anyways, but the air units are still going to be made. Now, there's a bit of confusion here because they're all out of stock everywhere, which I think is why everyone went a little bit crazy, and that is because there is a chip shortage supply with all tech that's happening around the world at the moment, and you know, the Vistas and air units, they are no exception. And in the beginning of April, so next week, they are restarting production of that again, and hopefully they'll be about at your normal retailers. Cadex have put an announcement on their Facebook page, which I actually helped to write because it was in the middle of the night for them and they were getting bombarded by stuff just on their phones, I'd imagine. I corrected a bit of the English for them. They put some of it back for some reason. And that's why there's a little joke at the end on the Facebook post. It says, from Cadex FPV CEO Andy. Just a little joke. But that's been my involvement. And yeah, that's the update from me about it. And while I'm here, would you be interested in me checking out the new DJI drone? I've got it there, but I'm kind of sick of seeing videos about it. Is there something I could do differently about it? Comments in the below. Anyways, as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.